Good morning, kids. Welcome back to our maths class. Are you happy today? Okay, how are you all? I hope you all are staying safe and healthy at home. Children, in your previous class, you learned 5 concepts, right? You studied that concept? Okay, which are the concepts we learned? Say? Yes, it is inside and outside, top and bottom, on and under, far and near, and the last is? Yes, above and below. Okay. Today we will be learning another new concept. It is before, after and between. Before, after and between. Now we can learn before, after and between. Okay. Before entering the class, let's watch a video. Are you ready, children? Okay. Let's watch the video.
Hey friends, would you like to play with my toys? I have 3 toys, a doll, a pyramid and a robot. As we can see, the doll is placed before the pyramid and the robot is placed after the pyramid. Thus, the pyramid is placed in between the doll and the robot. Let us rearrange the positions of the toys. Now, the robot is placed before the doll and the pyramid is placed after the doll. Thus, the doll is in between the robot and the pyramid.
Here are 3 vegetables, a brinjal, cabbage and potato. We can see that the brinjal is placed before the cabbage and the potato is placed after the cabbage. Thus, the cabbage is placed between the brinjal and the potato. Let us rearrange the position of the vegetables. Now, the cabbage is placed before the brinjal. The potato is placed after the brinjal and the brinjal is placed in between the cabbage and the potato.
I had fun playing with my toys.
Okay, students, you all enjoyed the video? Okay, what is our new concept? Yes, it is before, after and between. Shall we write? Before. B E F O R E. Before. And next is after. A F T E R. After. And our last is between. B E T W E E N. Between. Okay, how do you spell before? B E F O R E. Before. Then how do you spell after? A F T E R. After. How do you spell between? B E T W E E N. Okay, do you understand, children? Before means the previous one. Before means the previous one. After means the next one. After means next one. Between means which is placed on the middle. Okay. Between means which is placed on the middle. Okay. Understand the concept better. Shall we move on to the example? Are you ready, children? Okay.
What comes before? As you can see, the arrow is going in the backward direction. That means the number or object you have to write the previous number. Okay. Now, what comes after? You will see the arrow is going in the forward direction. That means you will write the next number. Okay, now you will see what comes between. Here you have to write the number number that comes the middle, that comes given to numbers. Okay students, let's start with what comes before. Now you can see I have 7 teddies over here. Teddy number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All the teddies have the respective numbers. Let's do the first example for this point very clear. What comes before? What is our first? What comes before? Okay. When I say before, you need to understand that I am talking about the previous number. Okay. If the number is 3, look over here. Before the number, what you can see? Yes, you can see teddy number 2. Okay, so when I am asking dash 3, then you have to written 2 over here. You have to write 2 over here, isn't it? Okay, is it clear? The next one is dash is put before 7. You need to write the number which comes before 7. Okay, you can see it is. It is. Say, what is the answer? Yes, 6. So, now you will put 6 in front of 7. Okay, next one is dash 5. As you can see, before 5 is 4. So, you will write 4 over here. Okay, children? And whenever the question comes regarding before, we will find the dash over here. Dash will come on this side, and after the question, dash will come this side. Okay. What comes after? What is our next is? What comes after? Now, as I told you in the previous one that the before lines is over here this side, and you need to focus that the question is regarding after the dash. Okay, let's do this. After means next one. Okay, we have to read the question forward direction. Okay, our question is 2 and dash. Question is 2 and after is a dash. So you need to see after 2 which number comes. Which number comes after 2? Yes, you are right. It is 3. After 2 we will get 3. The similar way we will go to number 4 and we'll see which number comes after 4. Yes, it is 5. You are right. We are right. 5 here. Next is number 6. Which number comes after 6? Say children. Yes, it is 7. So you will write 7 here. Okay children, is it fine? You all are getting it? So now let's move on. What comes between? Next is what comes between? Between means you will get 2 numbers and in between you will get dash. So you need to write the middle numbers. Okay, let's move on the example. Okay, the question is what comes between 1 and 3? So that number is, say, yes, it is 2. So you will write the number 2 in between. Similar way we can find the same. Next is which number comes between 3 and 5? Say children, what is the answer? Yes, the number is 4. Very good. Let's write 4 here. Next is what comes between 4 and 5? What is the answer? Yes, it is 5. Very good. So we can write number 5 here. Okay children. Before means the previous one. After means the next one. Between means the middle.
I hope you all understood the concept very well. Children, once again we can repeat the spellings. How do you spell before? B, E, F, O, R, E. Before. How do you spell after? A-F-T-E-R. After, then between. B-E-T-W-E-E-N. Okay, children, there is a homework for you. A textbook activity. Page number 12 and 13. Okay, this is same what you learned, what you did your earlier classes. The same you have to do this also. I will read the question. Draw a picture after sunrise and color it. Draw a picture after sunrise and color it. Okay, next is draw a picture before sunrise and color it. Draw a picture after sunrise, and next is draw a picture before sunrise. Okay, then next between. Color the beautiful hut between the two trees. Okay, color the beautiful hut between the two trees. Do you understand, children? You have to do this two activities, two textbook activities. Children, you know our first chapter is over. Okay, then you have one worksheet in your textbook, that page number 14. Okay, look this. Find the following words in the given word search. Okay, find the following words in the given word search. How? You have to find the words. Which are the concepts we learn? We learn 7 concepts, right? That all concepts have these boxes. You have to find the spellings and round it. Okay, look like this. You have to find. And next question is, color the big elephant with a grey color. Students, look here. Which is the big elephant? Which is? Yes, this is right. Okay, you have to color the elephant which is big. Which color you have to give? It is grey color. Okay, students, you should do this 2 activities and recap the chapter once again. Okay, I know you all are very smart students. You will do, right? Okay, students, shall we wind up our class? Okay, see you in the next session. Thank you. Have a nice day.